How to download Toca Boca World. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to download Toca Boca World. Downloading Toca Boca World is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Google Play Store. On your Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar at the bottom, type Toca Life World and press enter. Locate the Toca Boca World in the search result and tap on it. Tap on install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. Toca Boca World is a creative and open-ended game where players can build their own unique world, explore different locations and create stories with a wide variety of customizable characters. Once the download is complete, you can open the app directly from the Play Store or find it in your app drawer. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can download Toca Boca World. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.